So we are at ISKCON Ghatia, which is one of the finest Gujarati restaurants in Ahmedabad, and we are on the way to Dholera, which is about 30 kilometers from this place now. We are about 65, 70 odd kilometers away from Ahmedabad now. So looking forward. This is ISKCON Ghatia. One of the finest veg restaurant in Gujarat. And he's have more than 200 outlets now, and it's the best food out there. The create a structure with the kind of SOP he has put it is beautiful.
धोलेरा कहाँ शुरू होता है, धोलेरा कहाँ खत्म होता है, सारी चीजें हम डिटेल में जानेंगे आगे जाकर के. So let's move on this road. This road has a very premium importance. What
समझ में आता है.
People tell.
इन्फॉर्मेशन निकलवाया गया, पूछा गया, और आने से पहले दूसरे बिल्डर क्लियर बोला गया, मैं दूंगा इनका दूंगा.
सॉल्टी लैंड मतलब यहाँ के किसान कोई खेती नहीं कर पाते थे. खेती करना तो दूर की बात, यहाँ पे पीने के लिए पानी भी नहीं है. आप सोच रहे हो मयूर भाई प्लॉट बेचा तब तो कुछ और बताया आपने, आज तो कुछ और ही स्टोरी बता रहे हो. क्या आप तो हमको ऐसा धोलेरा बता के लाए थे. ऐसे ऑलवेज मेंशन, स्टे ट्यून्ड, स्टे एक्साइटेड, स्टे क्यूरियस. इन डेप्थ धोलेरा हम देखेंगे आज, समझेंगे एंड जानेंगे कि एक्चुअल धोलेरा है क्या. तो गाइस आगे से आपको दिख रहा होगा एक डंपर आता हुआ. आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा 1000 से भी ज्यादा डंपर्स that are required to set up everything. ये तो सिर्फ हमने आपको ऑन ग्राउंड रियलिटी बताई. इसके अलावा we have a checklist of 405 things before selecting a single piece of land. मतलब आपकी लैंड 405 चीजों की टेक्निकल चेकलिस्ट को क्रॉस करके यहाँ पहुंची है, तब जाके हमने वो लैंड खरीदी है, तब जाके हमने वहाँ पे प्लॉटिंग प्रोजेक्ट किया, तब जाके आपने प्लॉट्स खरीदे हैं. कितने लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा है मयूर भाई यू मेड दैट डे, अब हो गया, हमको वापस जाने दो भी तो भी चलेगा. हमें फिर माइंड ब्लोन, प्लीज टाइप एमरी इन द चैट बॉक्स. यार कोई इतना कैसे सोच सकता है. बढ़ा हुआ है, दूर दूर तक नजर आके देखो, हर जगह पे काम चल रहा है. कैन यू सी द क्रेन्स ऑन द राइट साइड, एक्सट्रीम राइट. so much. You know, when I first time came, I was speechless. मयूर भाई मेरे को बोलते थे धोलेरा आओ, धोलेरा आओ, धोलेरा आओ. हाँ क्या है धोलेरा, I don't know. And I had invested in Surat, you know, together in other places. But once I came to Dholera, I was like, wow, I have never seen. On the back, on the left. चल रहे काम जमीन खरीदो. Getting constructed at this cost of crore rupees. First time in the history of India there will be monorail between such tablets. Getting constructed at the cost of 6,000 crore rupees, guys. Royal Grandeur. We have a project Royal Grandeur. It is there. Okay, हम left ले रहे हैं. सारी buses left. But you see the straight, you will not have to take straight. It will be on the right side. You see the 8-lane expressway coming in, which is going to pass through the Royal Grandeur, and many people do not know about this. किसी को बोलना नहीं है. Okay, everybody, don't tell anyone. This is our secret. This is our investor's secret, insider secret. Do not tell anyone. यहाँ पे 8-lane expressway आ रहा है. This will go pass right through our 1,000 crore rupees in order to make in this factory the greatest semiconductor plant across the world. ये दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा सेमीकंडक्टर है. And guys, आप पे चले जाओ, तो बैंगलोर चले जाओ, मुंबई चले जाओ, कहीं पे भी साइट पे आपने you have seen 1 crane working, 2 crane working, 3 crane working. There are more than 252 cranes working at this single site. This has never ever happened in the history of India as well as the world. Yes guys, you are listening to me correctly. There are more than 252 cranes working at a single site. There is a ready mix plant as well. जहाँ से रोड शुरू हुआ था वहाँ से लेकर के सब कुछ, all this is Tata Semiconductor plant. That is Tata Semicon City. On the right hand side, we can see these are 2D plants being built a Surat-based real estate developer. What if I tell you the site is 100% sold out? And they are also leased out. Tata has taken the whole site of लेफ्ट साइड का नजारा देखो, ये नजारा आपको इंडिया में कहीं देखने नहीं मिलेगा, दुनिया में कहीं देखने नहीं मिलेगा। यस, लास्ट टाइम ये अपार्टमेंट्स नहीं थे, बन रहे थे, बन करके रेडी हो चुके हैं। ये बीच में जो प्लांटेशन है ये भी नहीं था, ये सारा प्लांटेशन अभी अभी लगाया है सेंटर का। Guys, can you see all this new plantation work? All this was not there last time. Those who came with us in the last trip.
Yeah, these are plantations.
All these plantations were not there. लेफ्ट साइड पे देखो, यहाँ सिर्फ क्रेन दिखाई दिया करती थी, वहाँ पे फुटिंग भी हो चुका है, फर्स्ट स्लैब भी कंक्रीट हो चुका है, सेकंड स्लैब की तैयारी चल रही है। गाइस, दिस प्लेस वाज लास्ट टाइम खड्डा, खड्डे से मिट्टी पुरान किया 15 फीट का, और उसके बाद पहला स्लैब कास्ट किया, दूसरे स्लैब की बारी है। ये सारा के सारा काम हुआ है लास्ट 5.5 महीने के अंदर। ये इंडिया की हिस्ट्री में आज तक इतना काम एक जगह नहीं हुआ और दुनिया की हिस्ट्री में नहीं हुआ है। राइट साइड पे जो स्टूडियो फ्लैट देख रहे हो आप, ये भी नहीं थे, दिस वाज बैरन लैंड। दिस ऑल दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन इज डन इन लेस देन 2.5 months। तो राइट साइड पे आप देख रहे हो, these are more than 140 स्टूडियो फ्लैट्स गेटिंग कंस्ट्रक्टेड। ये देख रहे हो सारा के सारा प्लांटेशन, ये पूरा के पूरा रोड नया के नया रोड है, डंपर्स के चलने की वजह से टूट चुका है, बिकॉज ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट वर्क हैपनिंग ओवर हियर। The most trusted brand of India is investing 9,000 crore rupees at single 1 crore rupees. This is $10 billion. सुबह जब मैं $1 का गोल बना के लिए सबको कह रहा था, तो लोग सोच भी नहीं पा रहे थे टाटा सिंगल साइड में $10 बिलियन का इन्वेस्टमेंट करने वाली है। How many of you are mind blown, guys?
He was mind blown first time when she came here.
And lot more. लेफ्ट साइड में देखते रहिए, और ऐसी जगह पे इतना बड़ा कारवा बनाना, दिस इज समथिंग विच इज वेरी ग्रेट फॉर इंडिया। व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू, ड्यूरिंग द समर्स देयर इज टेम्परेचर ऑफ समवेयर नियर 50-55 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड ओवर हियर। इतनी गर्मी के बंदा खड़ा रहे तो जल जाए। वैसी जगह पे इन ऑर्डर टू कंट्रोल हीट, गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग प्लांटेशन ऑन बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ द रोड, सेम लाइक चंडीगढ़। Yes, government is doing plantation on both the sides of the road, same like Chandigarh. अगर आपको टेम्परेचर को कंट्रोल करना है तो एक ही ऑप्शन है, प्लांट्स लगाओ। There is no other option out. That's why we
Let everybody be in. No, if you want to record something, that's it. I'm not interested in taking that. I charge for the greatest semiconductor site of the world, wherein Tata is investing 91,000 crore rupees at this single site itself. And what if I tell you? After which Tata felt this is not. And they have asked government of India for more 40 acres of land. So, construction of the shed is already ready. Last time those who were invested or visited with us, they saw that there was barren land lying over there. The whole shed is ready within less than 3 months. And it is worth 10 lakh square feet of area in less than 3 months. It is not a joke. All the cranes lying over here are more than 252 cranes lying at just a single site. All this is happening. What if I tell you? Board on which you are standing right now, these are wooden ducks. Generally, a human man or a normal man thinks of having a wooden flooring in their flats or houses. What if I tell you? All the water parks.
बता रहे थे क्या परिवार का, इसी को बता।
It's all beautiful. Disney World, this new
Should I hold it?
Disney. It's crazy. Look at the cranes, for cranes working here. A single night. This is just one. Look at the magnitude of work happening over here. And all this is worth kilometers, guys. This site is spread across 400 acres of campus. Yeah, this site is spread across 400 acres of campus. रोड बंद है, सामने को निकलने की जगह। less than 2 months on the left hand side.
It was not there last time.
Yes. You can also share them before and after images. See, people are asking from where people will come, who will come. Can you see laborers on the left hand side of the road walking on the footpath? There are more than 4,000 people working only in Renew Power, the Idesign factory. Where you see?
वो खाखरा नहीं मिला हमें भी खाखरा खिलाओ हमें
This is the place.
These roads, they might have seen camera. And on the camera, there was some kind of antenna. Antenna दिख रहा है कुछ? Something.
Government is no more dependent on central government for the same. This is one answer. The another answer would be,
These
you go and check since last more than 20 years.
and that just guide the emergency services through the
For everything under one stop. This is a one-stop solution for all your legal needs. इंडिया की हिस्ट्री में पहले कभी नहीं हुआ है. फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ है. दिस बिल्डिंग स्टैंडिंग सिंस लास्ट 5 years. 1500 से ज़्यादा एम्प्लॉइज काम कर रहे हैं. दिस इज एन ऑपरेशनल बिल्डिंग. यस. What if we don't only go this and this and this and we straight away go direct to the airport? Would that be a good idea or a great idea?
Great idea.
Great idea. This is what we all are supposed to do by sitting here. What if I tell you we just came from an 8-lane expressway, which we mentioned, we were having a land on that road. If that land takes the left turn from here and goes right up to the airport, will that make a sense?
Yeah.
That 8-lane to 8-lane to 8-lane. Does this work? This is what the game is all about. You are fencing, you are looking at the front. This is the level of frontage we have for this site. There are 17 commercial SEOs on this road, out of which, unfortunately, Abbas Bhai opened it and 12 are sold out. 2 are kept for me and Deva and just 3 are left. And out of residential plots, we opened for first plot, that is 25 plots. How many slots are sold out, Abbas Bhai? Residential में कितने slots बिक गए? 76. I was aware of 62. So we opened it for first phase for 25 plots. After which we increased the rate from 801 rupees per square feet.
That we are talking about. You have this and this, you polish it, that's where you get the money, right? So this is what it is. You go places where nobody's gone, and then you make jewel out of them.
Can we all have a huge round of applause? And Guys, before we unveil this, it is a great moment for all of us because for a developer to sell things is very tough. Many of the developers are sitting here. They know the art. Even if we declare phase 1, we come to know that phase 2 is also sold out. And phase 3 is also about to be sold out because 72 is the number wherein at 75 we declared the phase 3 to be sold out. And when we were coming back from after the ice cream, there was somebody who is there, a sir with the cap. He told me that maybe I have purchased a plot in Royalton and unfortunately the size is small, so I want to add it one more plot and want to buy 2. I don't remember the face. There was somebody मुझे दिखाई दे रहे एकदम गोरे गोरे. So he told me. So I understood that ये होता है कि जब हम पहली बार ले रहे होते हैं तो डर रहे होते हैं और डर करके हम एक लेते हैं. बाद में हमको समझ आता है कि we should have opted for 2, 3 or 4. So for today itself, we will be allowing you at a rate of 900 rupees per square feet for residential and 1260 rupees per square feet for commercial. So those who want to add the next plot to you or want to make it a 4-road corner or whatever you want to make it today itself. These rates are only for today and you know whom to reach. Abbas Bhai. Very easy. So guys, not making much of your time because हमको भी लोथल म्यूजियम जाना है. We have taken a special permission for all of you to see that museum. जब वो आंखों से देखोगे ना तभी मजा आएगा. So let's unveil this Devbhai. And guys, we officially declare.
चालू है सर, चालू है.
So guys, we officially declare our phase 1 as well as our phase 2 both to be sold out.
बहुत कम होता है कि एक दिन में दो हम डिक्लेयर करें सोल्ड आउट.
Can you understand what we have written here? You were expecting this only. After which we came to know phase 2 is sold out. And after which we are near to phase 3, only 3 plots left. After which we'll officially declare our phase 3 to be sold out as well. Many thank you to each one of you. Special thanks to Devbhai and all of you guys for making this happen. Thank you. As it is, on the ritual we did on the Passion Town side, I'll request some small kids only to come and do the rituals. There was one $2 million girl, where is she? And this small chap, can you please come here? Devbhai, shall we do the honors? Are you correct?
Shakti is also please come. Shakti please come.
हमारा ग्रैंड हो रहा है.
अरे बैठिए, बैठना ही नहीं, आगे जाइए. उनको चेयर पे चाहिए, पीछे नहीं बैठो ना, आप बैठो. How many of you are having early flights or trains and want to
ना भाई.
reach early? ऐसा कोई है? 1 बजे ट्रेन है. ट्रेन में कौन सा 2 आवर?